Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel Mvrk Tutor. Today I will continue my last topic, which is the top master's degree scholarship in the world. And the last time we discussed about Commonwealth and Chevening scholarship of UK, Fulbright scholarship of USA. And in this part two, I will discuss about MEXT scholarship offered by Japanese government, and KGSP, the Korean government scholarship. So before starting the video, if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe, especially if you are a student and seeking scholarships abroad. So let's start the video. So the first scholarship which I'm going to tell you is MEXT scholarship, which is by the Japanese government. So this is the key points of this scholarship. This scholarship covers the both applications for MS and PhD students. And one thing is, there is no need to submit the IELTS or TOEFL test because most of the universities accept your English proficiency certificate from your last attended university. And during the application process, you need to submit the study plan, the research plan with your application. And initially, the MEXT scholarship is advertised by the Japanese embassy in every country. So first you have to go through the Japanese embassy website for the most of the details. And there are two screening process. First screening process is done by the Japanese embassy, in which you have to apply first of all, and with all of the documents they will check in first screening. And also there is exam, language exam, and also interview. These all process is in the first screening of MEXT government scholarship. And then if you pass the first screening, then you can apply directly to the university in which you want to enroll, and you can claim that you have cleared the screening test, though they will provide you the provisional acceptance letter. And there is another screening. After the first screening, you have to go through to the another screening, which is the second screening, and in which the university placement is done. And applicants who pass the second screening, you will secure the MEXT scholarship definitely. And all of the information is written on the MEXT embassy website. I will share the Japanese embassy link of Pakistan, and you can search by Google of your country links. So the important thing, the scholarship covers all of the tuition fees, and the stipend is 1,44,000 yen per month for MS students. And for PhD students, there is not a lot of difference. I think there is 10,000 or 15,000 more than this. And they also cover air ticket, visa assistant, and all of the things are covered in this scholarship. And the conversion is the scholarship which is provided by the Japanese government is equal to 1,335 US dollars, or in Pakistani currency is 2,04,300 rupees. So this is the link of to 2022. It is currently announced, and the deadline is 21st of May 2021. So I will share the link in the description. You can go through, and all of the documents, all of the information is listed in this link. If you have any question, you can write me in the comment. So let's move to the next scholarship, which is Korean government scholarship, Korean scholarship. In Korea, we have three types of scholarship, but most of the students got the Korean government scholarship, the first one. The second one, we have the option for professor scholarship, and the last one, we have university or departmental scholarship. So the Korean government scholarship, KGSP, it is the fully funded, and also you will get the stipend monthly stipend, which is the handsome amount. And the duration is start from February to April every year, but the deadline is vary according to university. And you can apply directly in some specific universities. After securing the scholarship, you can choose professor. It's better if you succeeded in the scholarship, it's better to choose the professor, to shortlist the professor and to email, so he or she will provide you the letter which is useful for your further application process. And one thing, if you select through KGSP scholarship, you have to learn Korean language. I mean, when you arrive in Korea, first year you will learn the Korean language, then you will start your major course. The second one is professor and university scholarship. I'm going to discuss both here. In Korea, we have option. The professor have funding itself. They will provide you the funding. They will provide you the monthly stipend. The professor has funding from the university or from different companies, industries. So the another method to secure a scholarship, you have to shortlist your relevant research professor, and you can email with your detailed CV with your research proposal. So if he or she agrees with your qualification and academic background, maybe they will interview you and they will issue you a letter which helps you to secure the admission. And this is the same university scholarship is also available in some of the universities, not for all. So you have to check all the websites. I will share one of the very important link in the description which cover all of the Korean scholarships and Korean universities. So this is the general information. There are two intakes in Korea, first in September, second in March. And for September intake, the period is usually from February to April, vary university to university. And for March intake, the period is from September to October. And KGSP and professor scholarships, as I told you, is the most common method, and most of the students selected in KGSP and professor scholarships. And most of the programs in Korea, they are MS leading to PhD. I mean, the combined program, you can got admission directly in MS leading to PhD. And must you have to, you have your degree in your hand when you are going to apply. I mean, you cannot apply in 7th semester or 8th semester. First, ensure that according to the deadline of the university, you must have your degree in your hand. IELTS is not compulsory, as I mentioned, but now most of the universities demand the IELTS in Korea. But you can try with your English proficiency certificate of your last attended university. This is the link, which is very important link for all of the information you will have. In this link, all of the universities are listed, all of the programs are listed. I mean, which programs offered by which university, environment, civil, whatever the program is, it is listed, and it is mentioned that this university offer PhD program, this university offer MS program in this. All of the links, all of the deadlines, all of the related information, all in one link. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep subscribe my channel and share with all of the students. Bye for now. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.